Okay, so both cameras are at 4K 30 frames per second, and now I'm going into this garage for the low light performance test. How are we doing so far? Yeah, I can see GoPro just messing things up, but even already on the small screen, it's quite obvious. We have a couple of bikes here. Just gonna approach. So this is the low light performance. GoPro Osmo. And the problem with low light is that if I walk like this, you'll see that GoPro can't deal with this hues coming from lights. Oh my god, there are really nice cars here, like that Lambo here. Is Lambo more visible on GoPro or Osmo? Go check it out. Here is an amazing Lambo. 4K 30 frames per second. GoPro Osmo. GoPro Posmo. I'm gonna call it Pocket Posmo. Yep. Let's keep walking. How was the footage? What does it look like? Is it blown out? Is it working perfectly? Let me know in the comments section. Here's another car. Again, maybe dark cars are more difficult to spot. And here we go. How does it look like? Which one is better? Low light test continues. Okay. Let's move. And I'll even find a darker spot. What about the exit? Not really. But now I'm on the move, so tell me about the stabilization. How is it? Which one is doing a better job? Which one is handling the lights better? Are there any hues? Keep me up to date on this. Of course, now this is quite... There's enough light around here, so you don't need to really consider the test, but GoPro seems still a bit darker. Yeah. Here is another spot where I used to conduct my low light tests. Here we go. How are we doing? Yeah. Here is another spot where I used to conduct my low light tests. Here we go. How are we doing? From small screens, I already picked my favorite. You let me know in the comments below who's doing a better job. Alright. Okay, so before letting you go, I decided to show you something really cool. I have Litra Pros here. I mean, since we're doing a low light nighttime test, I think it makes sense to talk to you about Litra Pros. I met Litra Pros representatives during Photo Plus in New York, and they were super cool guys. They decided to send me a couple of demo units to try, and I'm telling you, I'm adoring them.